Pedro, Cher, good evening to you both. We're at Miller Children's and Women's Hospital here in Long Beach, and it was their leadership today that was among the doctors meeting with U.S. Senator Alex Padilla. Their message was very clear.
We need all eligible children to be vaccinated.
On Thursday afternoon, Senator Alex Padilla joined a group of doctors to urge parents to vaccinate their kids.
Last week, we saw by far the highest peak during the entire pandemic of kids admitted for COVID.
This pediatrician says 10% of her hospital beds are currently children with COVID.
Half of those kids were admitted with COVID, and half of those children were admitted for COVID.
Sadly, a 15-month-old LA County resident died Wednesday, the county's youngest pandemic victim thus far. Public health officials called it, quote, a stark reminder the virus can cause devastating outcomes among those most vulnerable, including young children not yet eligible for vaccinations.
Despite this, over 2/3 of our children 5 to 11 years of age remain unvaccinated, even though COVID-19 is the 8th leading cause of death for children in this 5 to 11-year-old age group.
Doctors said side effects from the kids' vaccine are rare.
We've also seen extremely rare adverse events, such as myocarditis, though it seems to be occurring less frequently in younger children as we would have anticipated based on background rates.
What about the effects of the disease?
Long-term effects really are still to be determined.
We've really reached a mental health crisis. Children's hospitals nationwide, we've seen a 14% increase in mental health emergencies for kids in the last year.
A parent group suing LAUSD for vaccine mandates says there shouldn't be this unilateral focus on vaccines, but rather on overall wellness.
I think it's one issue to encourage vaccinations, but I don't want that to be the only thing that we think about in how we get over this pandemic.
Darlene Alquiza, who has 2 school-aged kids, says natural immunity and low death rates should not be ignored.
According to the CDC, for children ages 5 through 17, there's less than 4,000 children who have been hospitalized. And for 0 to 17, the death rate is 748. So in the bigger perspective of there being, I believe, about 75 million children in the United States, it doesn't seem to be an alarming rate.
So, Christina, where do we stand when it comes to the number of cases in children in the United States?
Well, Pedro, these numbers from the American Academy of Pediatrics are pretty startling. They say since the onset of the pandemic, there's been about 10.5 million cases for kids of coronavirus, but 2 million of those have come just in the past couple of weeks. So, Pedro and Cher, the hope is that we're hitting this peak as we've been reporting, and then hopefully those cases will start to go down.